Ki khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke Regional Committee ni benta ke East Jaintia Hills District ya ke bala khledo menteri ke sarkar jilla uba snyau halang dhar ke bala sya benshet ban sorjamin ye ki jaka ki badan ke jinge ke jiaput hapdeng ke jilla Assam bat ke jilla Meghalaya shen kan sa IT no ye ke kaipot sorjamin sya menteri rangba jong ke jilla u Konrad Sangma. Kumban syukdo hang ni ke Regional Committee ni benta ke Ribhoi District bala khli do sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tinsong bat ke Regional Committee ni benta ke West Khasi Hills District bala khli do menteri sarkar uba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar kiladep IT ke kaipot sya menteri rangba Shwaba Unshong Jingelang Biang baru menteri rangba ke jelna Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma naga benta ban yakran penbet ye ke hinreu teli ki jaka ki badan ha ke jingye ke japut hapdeng ke jilla Meghalaya bat ke jilla Assam.
Report have been ready and or the chairman of the committee will submit the report as and when the chief minister is in the station. It is too premature for me to prejudge anything. Let us see first what is the report says and how we'll go with it. Let first both the chairman of the regional committee agrees on the report. Let the two chief ministers of the state agree, then only we will see what is the step to be done. We are here to protect the interests of the state. We are here to protect the interests of the people. Having said that, we also have to see what is the more viable solution for both the state of Meghalaya and Assam. All the nitty-gritty of the issues at hand at the ground level have been discussed. As I said, I don't want to prejudge, I don't want to say anything right now until and unless the report has been agreed upon by both the chairman of the committee and also both the chief minister of the state. So it is too premature for me to comment anything, everything, but we are here to find a solution. I'm very happy that both the chief minister are very positive how to find ways and means. And we should remember that in any dispute, in any difference, we cannot say that 10% is right, or whatever I say 10% is right, or whatever others say 10% is right. But as I said, due diligence will be taken care for the benefit of the people, for the benefit of the state, with a mutual understanding with the board of the chief minister.